Dear students, this is module number 122 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And this module is about one model or one example of devolved informal learning. Um, what this module is, what this model is, or what this example is, we said in the devolved informal learning is helping individuals or employees of an organization to learn their learning style, or in other words, to identify their learning style. So let's see this model. Um, this model is known as a Johari window, and you can find some information about this Johari window in many organization development training modules. If you look at this module, this has a 2 by 2 matrix. This is what I frequently say, and I hope you understand why I'm saying, because this is the only way we can see a 2 by 2 matrix and we can understand. Unless we do not understand what is on a vertical axis and what is on a horizontal axis, it is difficult to understand what does this mean, one particular box or quadrant. So the first quadrant you need to pay attention, and you might be interesting that how can you identify your learning style. So this is something is called as an open arena. Something is called an open arena. What is an open arena about someone's personality? What it is? It is something known to self, and it is something known to others. There is something about you. There is something about your personality. When I'm talking about you, I'm talking about that it is individuals in an organization. There is something about you that is known to you and that is known to others. आपको अपने बारे में कुछ पता है और वो बात दूसरों को भी आपके पता है. That is an open arena. For example, people know my name. People know, might be when I was born because of celebrating birthdays. People might know where I work. People might know how many brothers and sisters I have. This is an open arena. I know about it, and others know about it. However, if you look at the second quadrant on the bottom, that is hidden. Something known to self, but unknown to others. There is something about you that is you and you only know about it, but it is not known to others. Other people don't know about it. That is the hidden part of your personality. That is the hidden part of you as a human. That hidden can be changed, but how we will see that. Known by self, it is on the right side on the top, that is a blind spot. That is known by self and known to others. So something that is a blind spot that other people know about it, but you don't know about it. That is a blind spot that others people know about it. For example, other people might say that you are very fussy about things, you are very choosy, you are taking too long to make some decisions. You don't know about it, but others know, and that is a blind spot. And the last quadrant on the bottom right side is unknown to all. There is something about you don't know about it, and others also don't know about it. You don't know about your potential. And let me tell you that don't allow others to tell you what is your potential. Nobody knows your potential, and you don't know your potential. This is something unknown. That's why we say that the human potential is for optimum. It's not maximum. You can determine the potential of a machine, but you cannot determine the potential of a human. God has given you lot of abilities. God has given you lot of skills. God has given you lot of potential. You don't know all of that, and none of the other people who even know you very well know that potential. It is the situation that will help you to determine or to understand or to learn that thing which is called unknown potential or unknown part of your personality. Finally, let me conclude that this is something as a model helps to identify others to learn their individual skills or the ability to learn something as an individual learning style. What is unknown to you may be one day become known to others. What is unknown to others may become known to you as well one day. So the greater part is the open part, less part is the blind spot or unknown to all or hidden. For example, if something was hidden to others and they know, then what will be it? It will be now open part because something was unknown to others, but they have know it now. So that will become an open part. You know it, and the others know it. This is one Johari window, a very famous model that helps people to identify their learning style, their personality, who they are, and how they can go ahead in their life. Thank you.